Hello everyone, welcome to yet another episode of IBM Storage Guru YouTube channel. In this episode, we'll learn how to integrate an IBM Storage Insights with JIRA. This will help in tracking incidents identified by Storage Insights. IBM Storage Insights identified incidents across storage systems that it monitors. Here I am logged into my Storage Insights tenant. I can view the alerts by going to the alerts dashboard. I can do few things on these alerts, like I can mark these alerts as acknowledged. Now, some of these alerts may need investigation. I can think of a workflow where alerts get assigned to different analysts and track the progress of the analysis. Here we can take the help of incident management tools. We will use JIRA as a bug tracking system for SI alerts. There are many different incident management tools available. Now, these incidents or alerts in SI terminology, these can range from minor system glitches to critical security vulnerabilities like ransomware here. Once an alert is identified, we can create a JIRA bug to track and manage it. For example, a potential ransomware attack like the one shown here. This needs to be triaged by security analysts by analyzing it and correlating the information from different sources. Now, to integrate with JIRA, we will use webhook technology. Webhook support is already provided by Storage Insights. Let's go to the integration page to understand better. Here, as you can see, it asks for if I create a new integration, it asks for some information to be provided. For example, the URL of the webhook, the headers, authentication method. We have different authentication methods supported here. API key, basic auth, auth2, etc. Now we can also test. Once we provide all this information, we can test whether the values provided are working fine by clicking on the test button. When the alert, in this case ransomware alert, is identified by Storage Insight, it will invoke this webhook that we will create. Now, in order to get the webhook URL and the headers to pass and the authentication method that will be used when the webhook is invoked, we have to go to the JIRA and see what kind of webhook that JIRA provides that we can invoke from Storage Insights. Let me go to the JIRA instance here. I'm logged into Atlassian JIRA. And we don't have a project, so let's create one project quickly. We will create a Kanban project. We don't need a Scrum to track the defects or the issues that Storage Insights sends to JIRA. We will quickly create a team managed project. Storage Insight alerts, let's say. We'll keep it private. Okay, I have created a project. Now to configure webhook, we have to go to settings and you have to be logged in as an admin so that the system settings is available to you. Now here, go to automation and click on global automation. Here we will create a rule and we will select webhook, incoming webhook. Now, when the webhook comes, there are three options given to us. Create an issue provided in the webhook HTTP post body. Now, mind you, the payload that we send as part of webhook doesn't have this kind of structure, so we will select no issues from the webhook. And we'll copy this URL and we will paste it here. This is the webhook part, and this webhook doesn't contain any authentication information, so we will select no auth here. Go to next. Now, when the webhook comes, what do we want to do? We want to do something, so we'll add an action. We will select create an issue. So, which project you want to create the issue on? SI alerts. We will create it as a task since it is a Kanban project. let's select the name of the task. So we'll use webhook data dot name. Name is a field that I know it's available in the payload. And in the description, let's start by putting the entire webhook data. You can also customize this by looking at individual fields and formatting it nicely so that it is readable to the analyst. But for the sake of simplicity, we will just put the entire payload, dump the entire payload into the description. Next. So this is my rule. When the webhook comes, I want to create a task in my SI alerts project, Kanban project that we just created. Let's turn on the rule, give it a name, SI alerts, let's say. Turn on the rule. Now let's go to our storage insights integration. So we have provided all the information except this. Let's say JIRA automation. This webhook is to create tasks in JIRA. No header is required. By default, we send application JSON as the accept header. Content type and accept both are application JSON. And that's it. So we can test the webhook now. And it says test successful. Let's go back to JIRA. Go back to our project. And let's see, we have a task here in the to-do lane. Let's open the task and we can see the description contains the entire payload that was sent as part of the test webhook. It's not, you can assign it and start working on it. So this is how, using webhook support provided by Storage Insight, we can integrate with JIRA. Thank you for listening to me.